Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix LinkedIn if it keeps crashing on your iPhone or Android. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, if you have the app opened, just go ahead and close it. Close every app. Now go ahead and find the app icon. If you're using Android, of course. Okay, just find it. Right here, tap and hold on it. Now go ahead and tap on the information icon, like so. And now, if you're using iOS, go and find the settings app. And once done, find the apps section. All right, now go ahead and find LinkedIn. Tap on it and just tap on offload data or offload app. Okay, for Android, go and find storage, tap on it. Now just tap on clear cache first. And then once that's done, tap on clear data. All right, there'll be a pop-up, just tap on OK. And then once done, go launch LinkedIn again. And everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. That's how easy it is to fix this issue while LinkedIn is crashing on your phone. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.